Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tathastu. So, here we are under the program Adharshila, and we are continuing with the discussion of international and regional groupings. So, we are here on the lecture 9 of the funds and programs of the United Nations. Earlier in lecture 8, we discussed it was UNICEF, World Food Program, and UN Habitat. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the United Nations Development Program, UNDP is there, UN Capital Development Fund is there, CDF, then we have UN volunteers. This is very important from the perspective of UPSC prelims. Not much is asked about the Capital Development Fund and UN volunteers, but you should have some of the idea. You should have some of the idea about the working of these organizations. So, without any further ado, let's move on to the United Nations Development Program. Okay. So, we have UNDP. It was formed in 1965 to help countries eliminate poverty and achieve sustainable human development. See, UNDP was founded in 1965 and the headquarters is in New York. Okay. India is a member. This is not that important, but the working of the UNDP is always important from the point of UPSC. See, UNDP has been famous for the Human Development Report. After that, it has been releasing the multi-dimensional poverty index, which is based on the deprivation criteria. Like if a person is being deprived of the basic services, then it can be found under the multi-dimensional poverty index. Like deprivation of electricity is there. Like if a household has no access to electricity, uska score different hoga. If a household has no access to like cooking gas or access to like two-wheeler, so every we should say deprivation का score है ना different होगा. So this is how multidimensional poor the number of multidimensional poor is calculated. ठीक है. So UNDP is working to strengthen new frameworks for development, disaster risk reduction and climate change. ठीक है. It also encourages the protection of human rights and the empowerment of women in all of its programs. So this is the basic mandate of the United Nations Development Program. Okay, so let us move on to the next point. Now we have वर्क ऑफ द यूएनडीपी. थोड़ा सा हमने डिस्कस किया था, अब इसको स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स में डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है. सो एनुअल ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट का देगा यूएनडीपी एंड डू रिमेंबर द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया, रिमेंबर द स्कोर ऑफ इंडिया. This is important, can be directly used in the mains examination as a data to measure, analyze development progress. ठीक है. In addition to a global report, it also publishes regional, national and local human development reports. Regional can be of Asia, national can be of India level and local can be of North India level. ये सब रिपोर्ट कौन प्रिपेयर करेगा? It is UNDP. ठीक है. In collaboration with Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative (OPHI), UNDP develops multidimensional poverty index. ठीक है. This is already we discussed. MDI यानी UNDP alone was giving us the human development report, but UNDP along with Oxford Poverty, we are getting the report of multidimensional poverty index. Is it clear? So this report is being released by the UNDP along with the Oxford Poverty and Health Initiative, Human Development Initiative. Okay, so let us move on to the next point. Now we have the Sustainable Development Goals which are being monitored by the UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program. See, earlier it came to be known as Millennial Development Goals, that is MDG, but in 2015 they were being named as SDGs and there were 17 SDGs with different sub-indicators. Sub-indicators and under every goal are different. See, MDGs को हमने change किया in 2015 to Sustainable Development Goals and now we got 17 Sustainable Development Goals with the target of achieving them by 2030. ठीक है. So the goals are: first is no poverty, second is zero hunger, third is good health and well-being, fourth is quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, sixth number. Then we have affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth is the eighth. Ninth, industry, innovation and infrastructure. reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities. Under this SDG 11th we have UN Habitat that was working. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था ना लास्ट लेक्चर में UN Habitat, ठीक है. 12 is responsible and consumption and production. 13 is climate action. 14 is life below water. Then we have life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions, partnership for the goals. See, you need to remember majority of the sustainable development goals, because sometimes state PCS, not UPSC, state PCS examinations directly ask the number of SDG along with the goal. Like they may create a question, 4 SDG दे दिया 1, 4, 7, 8 and they can make a matching type question. So you need to remember the major of the sustainable development goals. See, 1 से 6 तो याद करना it's not difficult. No poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, gender equality and clean water and sanitation. You can make a trick for the rest of the SDGs. There are many videos which talks about like how to remember these. There is some kind of trick or mnemonics, so you can make your own trick to remember these 17 of the sustainable development goals. Okay, so let us move on to the next point. Now we have UN Capital Development Fund. See, this is simple. UN Capital Development Fund just provides capital for the infrastructure projects, capital to infrastructure projects in least developed countries and developing countries. ठीक है, LDC का मैंडेट क्या है? टू प्रोवाइड कैपिटल फॉर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन द लीस्ट डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज एंड डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द UN, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. इट वाज क्रिएटेड इन 1966, UNGA ने बनाया. हेडक्वार्टर इज इन न्यूयॉर्क, नॉट मच इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज एन ऑटोनोमस वॉलंटरी फंडेड, यानी जितना भी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा दैट इज वॉलंटरी. जो कंट्री जितना कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन करना चाहे दैट इज अप टू इटसेल्फ, कि अपनी मर्जी से कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं. UN ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एफिलिएटेड विद द UN डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. किससे एफिलिएशन है इसका? UNDP. इट असिस्ट द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, ऑलरेडी वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस, इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देयर इकोनॉमीज बाय सप्लीमेंटिंग एग्जिस्टिंग सोर्सेज ऑफ कैपिटल असिस्टेंस बाय मीन्स ऑफ ग्रांट्स एंड लोन्स. किस तरीके से देगा ये? ग्रांट्स और लोन्स के मेथोडोलॉजी से. द फंड मेक्स पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट फाइनेंस वर्क फॉर द पुअर इन द वर्ल्ड्स 46 लीस्ट डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. हमने ऑलरेडी बात की कि इसका जो मैंडेट है लीस्ट डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करना इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्रांट्स एंड लोन्स. ठीक है, सो लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट बॉडी. नाउ वी हैव यूनाइटेड नेशंस वॉलंटियर्स. सी, फर्स्ट you need to understand the meaning of volunteer. The meaning of volunteer and volunteerism. Volunteerism. See, volunteer is any person who gives his or her time and resources for a particular effort without any expectations of the remuneration or the salary or income or anything in return. So volunteer is like I am working for an NGO which has been working for the child's welfare. So I am not expecting that I would get a salary, I would get some kind of monetary value. So I just give my time to promote this cause of child welfare. So this is nothing but the example of volunteerism and me being a volunteer for this cause. So volunteer and volunteerism are very important in the working of NGOs, SHGs, societies. So this is very important in the functioning of these type of organizations. So volunteer and volunteerism, I hope this is clear now. Okay, so UNV contributes to peace and development through volunteerism worldwide. ठीक है, established in 1970, headquarter is in Bonn, Germany. UNV is administered by the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, and reports to the UNDP, UNFPA Population Fund, UN ऑफिस ऑन प्रोजेक्ट सर्विसेज एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड. यानी इसके जो रिपोर्ट्स होंगे ना UN वॉलंटियर्स के, वो जाएंगे किसके पास? UNDP के पास. देन वी हैव UNFPA, देन वी हैव यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑफिस ऑन प्रोजेक्ट सर्विसेज. सो UN वॉलंटियर विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग द रिपोर्ट्स टू द UNDP, UN पॉपुलेशन फंड एंड UN ऑफिस ऑन प्रोजेक्ट सर्विसेज. नाउ वी हैव UN volunteers are mid-career professionals with an average age of 35 years who combine technical skills and professionalism with the motivation and dedication. Not much important from the prelims perspective, but दिमाग में ना एक पॉइंट याद रखना कि they are generally mid career professionals along with an average age of 35. ठीक है, you may remember this in your subconscious mind. Then we have a total of 51% of the all UN volunteers are women. That is a good thing. Here the sex ratio is 51% in favor of the women. That is 49% of the volunteers are men and 51% of the women. So this is all about the UN volunteers. So here we have studied the three bodies, that is we have discussed UNDP was there, then we have United Nations volunteer, then we what we studied earlier, we had UN Capital Development Fund. So these three bodies we have discussed, and I hope you got the gist of these three bodies in the lectures 8 and 9. So thank you for watching this lecture. Do like and share the Tathastu ICS. We will be meeting in the next lecture with the new different funds and programs of the United Nations. Thank you.